Hello, in this video we are going to be looking at how to design an ebook cover which you can use for your lead magnet. A lead magnet is a kind of an offer or a value you can give to exchange to make people give you their contact so that you can promote your paid opportunities or products or services to them subsequently. And if you are watching this from YouTube, I want to implore you that you should subscribe to my YouTube channel to encourage me post more of videos like this. I post videos on website design and digital marketing on it, so and the only way to encourage me is to subscribe to the channel that will upload more of these videos. So let's get into it. Now, this is the ebook we are going to be creating. This ebook cover is for affiliate marketing. It's one ebook that I want to use for my affiliate marketing coaching or training. So we are going to be creating or duplicating or imitating this ebook cover. Now, the tool we are going to be using is called Canva. Canva is a all-in-one platform which you can use to design different type of content, from flyer to ebook cover to ebook to infographics to logo and all sorts of graphical content. So now you go to your Google Chrome browser. You go to your Google Chrome browser and you go to canva.com. On getting to canva.com, you'll be prompted to create an account if you are new to Canva, and if you are not new to Canva, just log in, then go to create a design. You are going to search ebook cover. This is also applicable, the same process is applicable to if you want to use your smartphone. So anything I'm teaching here, you can also apply it on your smartphone. Just get Canva app on Google Play Store or App Store if you are using iOS, and log in, download the app, log in or sign up, then follow the same process that I will be showing here. And you can also use your browser, you can use your Chrome browser to access canva.com on your smartphone. So click on create design, then you search ebook cover. Okay, so select ebook cover, then you can now start our design. We have two parts in your design interface. We have the part where I consider to be the engine room of all what you'll be designing, and we have the part where you have your design. So this part is where you select the element you'll be putting on this part. So here on this part we have elements, we have upload, we have all different sort of features that allow you to design whatever you want to design. So now the first thing we want to do is to establish a background. You click on it, then you choose a color. What color? Which color are we? You use a kind of a navy blue. So I will not be using the exact color, so that we can at least differentiate. Okay, I want to tune the color to be darker a little bit. You are going to come here. You come to color, then you come here, then you can now tune it a bit darker. So now the next thing is to can zoom it and zoom in and zoom out here. So let's zoom in so that we can see. So the title is affiliate marketing secrets. Where one thing you want to consider when you are creating an ebook cover is you want to have a title and you want to have a subtitle. Subtitle explains the title. It's kind of it's kind of a help you state your irresistible offer that will make people download your ebook. The fact that something is free does not mean people will download it. You have to be very smart. Your offer must be irresistible and you must fulfill the promise in the ebook content. So now this is our title and this is our subtitle. So let's first of all establish our title, affiliate marketing secret. So you come to type text and you look for this is the font I use. So you are going to select the font, then I'm going to type affiliate marketing. You can adjust it, you can drag it any way you like. Canva is very easy to use, it's beginner friendly. So now I now plan to change the color. So let's zoom in a little bit so that we can see it very well. Let's look at the color, the size. We use 46 here, so we are going to, this is where you change the font size, 46. Okay, so we are going to change the color. We want to use white. Come here, you click on it, then you come here, then you choose the color. I'm using Canva Pro, so you can also use Canva free. You can use the free version. You can design this without using the free version, so don't panic, but I use Canva Pro. So now the next thing is this secret and this line secret. So the font, let's see the font we use for this, Code Pro. That's the name of the font, but in your case you might not be able to use the Code Pro because you'll be using the free version, so you can use any other kind of font. A similar font to Code Pro is Open. So secret. Don't know if I'm correct with this. So you can change this to capital letter just by clicking on it, then come here, then you see this. So what's the size? The size is 38. 38. So 38 is the size, 38. Okay, so we are now left with the color and the line for the title. So you go to the element, then you search line. Make sure the line is straight. I don't even know if it's straight, but I think it's straight like this. So I'm going to duplicate it. Make sure you make use of the alignment line that shows when you are dragging your element. Look at it now. To have this kind of line, dividing the distance total means that the text is at the center. So you want to be making use of that feature. So we want to copy this, Ctrl C and V. On your you just duplicate it on your smartphone. Just select duplicate, then you duplicate it. So let's see. Let's make sure the line also align with each other. Okay, it's aligned. Okay, it's aligned now. Oh, okay. Now the next thing is to give color. Color. Okay, the color is orange. The color is orange. You can use yellow in our case. Use yellow. Then what else? The subtitle. We are now left with the subtitle. So you come to element, then you search rectangle. You can select this. You can select this on. And you can just come here and load the tone of the yellow, as if you were using yellow. but we want to be using a light color that we can place a black text on. Let's use the light color. Okay, so I think that is about that. Then the next thing is to put our subtitle. So I'm not going to rewrite any subtitle. I'm going to copy this and I'll paste it here. So paste. Let's say the font size is 14.6, 14.6, 14.6. Okay, so let's change let's make it large enough. You can either align it to the center or indent it to the left. It's just choice. So we're going to change the color of the font so that it will be very clear. So you might want to change the font and just click on the text, then come here and select Code Pro. Search Code Pro. Code Pro. So I change it to Code Pro. Can use a little bit. Can indent it to the left. Okay. So my subtitle is, look at my subtitle is very attractive. So you work very much on your subtitle. Make sure your subtitle is very attractive. So the subtitle is how to build a 6 to 7 figure income side hustle by recommending other people's high in demand products, right? So now the next thing is you can put something here that make the something to be lively. What can I do? Let's look for an image on Google. Let's go to let's say skyrocket income. Select image. Let's see what it brings. Okay, you can use this. We may use this, or look for another one to use. You can also use this. I want something I can look for. Let's just look for something. Let's take this and remove the background. Let's copy the image. You copy the image address, then you go to remove.pg, or you watch my video on how to remove the background of a picture in how to remove a picture's background in a few seconds. So you copy it here and then you download it. Come back here, then you put it, you drag it here. Oh, the background is contradicting. Let's look for a color that we can use. Or just look for, okay, let me just use the one I used for the other one. Right. So I'm going to zoom it. Zoom. zoom it, zoom. Okay, so I think we're almost done. Let's take it to the center. Yes. Okay, so the next thing is to put our name. Come to text. No, you come to elements. You first of all select the rectangle we searched for the other time. Then so we want to turn this to maybe white or any light color. Then want to put paparazzi. Select it again. Let's zoom it in so that we can clearly see what we want to do. So the next thing, you can just put your name straight, then you change the color back to the color you can now put your name, select text, then you put title Yusuf Adekola at the center. So you can just come here and turn it to a capital letter, uppercase, then you change the font size and font color, then our book is done. So our book is ready. So that is how to design an ebook cover. Now the next thing is how to do your ebook mockup. Ebook mockup is just a 3D, it's like a 3D representation of your ebook cover. Let me show you an example of ebook mockup. Ebook mockup. Look at it. Look at it. So you may need something like this. So you see, can you see these are examples of ebook mockup. So in the next video, I'm going to be showing you 5 websites where you can do your ebook mockup and have an amazing ebook mockup for your ebook cover or your ebook. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't also forget to look to expect my videos on how to write an ebook. Even if you don't know what to write, if you don't have content to write, don't know exactly what to write on, you can still write an ebook. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel and look forward to the video.